Hey everybody, Randall here again, and it's been a long time since I've done really much of a drone video because I hadn't had one up until lately, and I found this JJRC JJPRO EPIK on eBay for $109 from an eBay seller in China that went by the name of EPIK. I was kind of concerned, being Chinese and take a long time and all that, but I decided since the price was so good, they had good reviews, that I'd go ahead and pull the trigger. Well, I'm glad I did, because this got here in about 10 days, all the way from China, and it was packed well, and this drone really flies great. Now, it doesn't have a true gimbal. The camera's motorized, and it only goes straight out, and you can adjust it anywhere to straight down. But it's not a self-leveling gimbal. It's simply a motorized camera mount. But I'll tell you what, now the video isn't great, but it's not bad. The colors are wonderful. But where this thing really shines is the photographs. The photographs are really, really good. Color's good, the focus is good, and this thing flies great, and it's not too big to carry. I was able to use the styrofoam out of the box, and I put it in a little case that I have, and it works great. So anyways, I'm going to turn this thing on and show you how it works. Make sure this old beat up raggedy Android phone is on. Okay, got the phone starting up. But while the phone's getting ready to go, we'll go ahead and get this hooked up to the transmitter and get it on the ground.
Hello, Moto.
Okay, and that beep is telling me that it is ready to start the compass calibration. And this is something that you have to do every time you fly it, which I don't have a problem with that. Okay, when you get red and green, it's ready to go. Now, put my phone in the cradle for the downlink. This phone's old and beat up. I've got to get another one. I've got one coming. So anyways, I've already got 10 satellites, and I fly this in GPS mode. Okay, I'll go into the settings, network, go into the Wi-Fi, and it comes up drone 540090, I think it is. I don't have my reading glasses on. Okay. It is hooked up to the drone. Now we go into the software, or the app for the phone. Enable it. Okay, then you'll see a little green arrow that says next. Hit that. And another one that says next. There we go. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not, but you can see that the camera is changing angles. Now, to start it, you hit the red button, and that's all there is to it. It's kind of breezy, but it really is a smooth flying drone. Now see if you can see the camera changing angles. Now to change the camera between doing movies and photos, you hit under this icon, and now it's recording video. And it stops as soon as you let off. Okay, Hit the button again. It says the video is saved. Now, I'm going to go to photograph. Photo saved. Okay. Normally I'd be flying this with my reading glasses on so I could see the screen, but I'm using my video sunglasses so I could do this review. But I was very impressed with the shipping speed from Inkpot. Very impressed with the price. I wish I had gotten one more battery, but that's okay. This thing flies quite a little ways on one battery. And it does the follow me and the 360, a whole bunch of stuff. A bunch of stuff I won't do, because I just want to pop up, take a picture, and land. I go to car shows and stuff, and I'm in a new area. But yeah, I mean, this thing is just super stable, and man, it's quiet, so it's unobtrusive. It's quieter than the Spark that I had. And really, it's not that much bigger. Okay, now I'll bring this down. I haven't tried out the return to home because I haven't been out in a big field, but maybe sometime later I'll do a return to home video. Now, it's a very, very, very stable drone. Now this is as fast as it pirouettes. I don't know if there's a sport setting or not, but for a camera platform, you don't really want anything terribly, terribly fast. And it's handling this wind pretty well. I mean, that flag's flapping pretty good. So anyways, that's my new drone. I'm very happy with it. If you want something cheap that takes good pictures, I don't think you could get much better. And one thing I like about this is it does not record in the phone unless you don't have an SD card in the camera. But the camera will take an SD card, and it does 2K video, and I think it's 1080p photographs, which for, you know, hobbyists, that's plenty. It's plenty for me. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this purchase. Okay, I'm going to land it. And there you have it.